Okay. So class, thank you again and welcome to your 4 days of DevOps. Not forgetting your instructor going to give you your project for Linux, right? Which is done deal. You have your projects, everything is packaged, going to give it to you. You're going to do interview for Linux, but we cannot stop that on, to say you have to complete it before you get on this, right? No. So we got to bring in DevOps. But just know that you got to do those things. You got to face in the interview, question and answer, and then you got to do the project. All right. So we have that package already prepared for you. Now, today is our first day on development, right? Engineering. Complete DevOps engineering masterclass. Everything you need to know in DevOps, the ABDA need you to know. When I say ABDA need you to know, there are a lot of things that you need to know in DevOps. But the key one that ABDA going to deliver to you, these are the ones that you need to get a job. It's sufficient for you to get a job. All right. So let's get into it. Now, Benu asked a question, what is DevOps? What is the benefit of DevOps? DevOps lifecycle and principle, guys. If you're learning DevOps, these are things that we need to understand. The key benefit of DevOps. Tools ecosystem, the DevOps tool ecosystem. The DevOps versus what? The Agile versus traditional IT. It's in DevOps that you're going to know the differences between IT and engineering. Many of you, when you hear about IT, when I say the person is an IT officer or IT specialist, that does not mean that they are engineer. Okay? That does not mean that they are engineer. It correlates. It's the same domain, but we have big difference or distinction from a technical perspective. So let's get that. All right. So what is DevOps? DevOps lifecycle and principle. Key benefits of DevOps. DevOps tools ecosystem. DevOps versus Azure versus traditional IT. What is about this? Very, very good and exciting, but we're going to dive into it. Now, let me turn and then going forward, guys, in this course, I'm going to be showing you as we go along. Let me pause the recording before I say this for some security reason.